So it's finally time to tell you guys what I've been hiding for a while. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So yes, as you guys know that it's time for a huge announcement. I mean, it's like a very big deal for me and for you guys as well who watch my channel regularly. So if you've noticed, I've been mentioning in my recent vlogs in the comment section that I have something to share with you guys, and I think it's about time that I let you guys know now. But before I actually go and reveal what it is, I just wanted to come and introduce myself to anyone who's new here. So I'm currently living in Delhi and I'm pursuing BCom Honours from Sri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi University. I just completed my semester 4 final exams and I have a 2-month break now. Being a college student, I've shared quite a lot of my life on my YouTube channel, and if you know anything about SRCC, you know how students are super competitive, and the one thing that everyone does during their summer break is do an internship. Obviously, it's a very good thing to do. Internship karo, CV acha karo, and then it helps you in the placements as well. And that would probably also be something that I would do, but things have changed and now I think is the perfect time to make the announcement. So I'll be going to London. Yes, you heard that right, for summer school this break, and I'm going for my summer school to none other than London School of Economics and Pol Science, LSE. I'll be going to London School of Economics in London, obviously, for summer school in the month of June and July. So basically, if you don't know what summer school is, it's basically a short-term course that you can pursue in abroad. It's very popular in UK and the US as well. India में summer school के ज़्यादा options है ही नहीं, and usually people from India go abroad for summer school, and the point is to get an experience, to get international exposure, meet new people, and basically spend your summer productively. So I had two options. Either I could do an internship or I could go for summer school. And of course, if it's not obvious, this seems to be a better choice, going to summer school, going to London. It's literally my dream destination. It's been on my bucket list, on my vision board since I don't even remember when. I remember in the first Q&A I did on my YouTube channel, मैंने बोला था कि मेरा dream destination London है, and here we are going to London, and that too for summer school, like to study, to get international experience. That's crazy. So an internship is something that I can do otherwise as well. I can do it during the college time as well, but summer school is just something new. It just sounds more interesting. Obviously, I think it aligns with what I want to do in the future as well. So I thought कि summer school जाना काफी अच्छा option रहेगा मेरे लिए, and I have done quite a few internships already, so it's not something that's super important to me as of now. And if you cannot tell already, I am so excited and pumped for it. I'm so excited to meet new people, to interact, to have new ideas, and just go live in another country. Now, I'm someone who is definitely considering studying abroad after my undergraduation, so I thought going to summer school would be a good way for me to understand if, you know, going abroad is something I actually want to do, if it aligns with my goals, if I kind of like the vibe of living abroad as well. I think that's very important. So investing in a summer school like that was a good option for me. So more details about my summer school program. So my summer school is just for 3 weeks, that is 21 days. It begins in the end of June till the second week of July. So LSE basically had 3 sessions. I chose the first one, which begins like in just a week. So I'll be going to London really soon, and I'll be doing the course bargaining and negotiations. It's something related to communication, so I thought it fits perfectly for what I do. So I actually watched a YouTube video and someone over there actually said that the course bargaining and negotiations is related to communications. So I thought इससे better तो क्या ही हो सकता है. Of course, there are a lot of options to choose from, like management, marketing, etc. But obviously the seats get filled. So by the time I applied, this was the best course available, and it actually worked out in my favor क्योंकि communications related है. Okay, now a little more about LSE. I don't think I need to mention how good the London School of Economics is. It is one of the most popular universities abroad, especially in the UK. Among commerce students or people who are interested in economics, it's a very good university abroad. As the name suggests, it's a social science specialist university. It is more into research, and it's also on the 56th rank according to QS World Ranking, which is very good. And of course, I'll get to learn so much more. I'll get to meet so many people from around the world. Then professors also, LSE के professors are very good at what they do. So इन सब चीजों में LSE का काफी फायदा मिला था, and summer school also would definitely benefit me a lot. Now that being said, of course, now that I'm going to summer school, I'm going to London for almost a month, you will be seeing a lot of videos on my channel, like long form videos, shorts and whatnot. So you will be seeing study vlogs, productivity tips, London vlogs in general, campus tour, cultural experiences that I have there. So I think you should be really excited for that as well, because even though you cannot go to summer school maybe, but through my vlogs, I want you to experience what going to summer school is like. And I totally get it that not everyone can go, and summer school is actually very expensive if you think about it, but it's definitely a good opportunity. Now over here, I need you guys ka help suggest a name for my London series, because of course you're going to be seeing a lot of vlogs from there. I literally have no idea, so I need your help with naming my London series. Let's go. Comment them down below. Now of course, I've traveled abroad for maybe like 1 week or so, but this is a 3-week journey for me. So I'm really scared. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if I'll be able to interact with all the new people I meet, but I really hope that I get my extrovert personality back. That's something I'm really looking forward to, just making conversations, making good conversations with people, and of course hanging out with them, going to parties, etc. I don't know how summer school works, but apart from all that fun stuff, I also want to grow academically. I want to get better at research maybe, as my course is about bargaining and negotiations, right? Negotiation itna zyada important hai aajkal. So that's also something I'm really looking forward to learning and getting better at. Of course, you guys are going to be watching my vlogs, but more than that, I want you to be a complete part of my journey. So if you guys have any thoughts that you want to share, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm sure you have a lot of questions about summer school, so again, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And also, if any of you guys have been to London before, or know if anyone has been to London before, if you guys have any tips or recommendations of places I should visit, what I should do, not do, तुम वो भी मुझे बता सकते हो in the comment section. And that being said, throughout the series, I'm going to be actively engaging with you guys, replying to your comments and stuff. So feel free to leave whatever you want to in the comments, and let's go to London together through my vlogs. So once I go to London, of course, my schedule is going to be really hectic. In summer school, along with like the classes and lectures that they're going to have, we'll also have different workshops and sessions in between. Like we have yoga classes, Pilates, Zumba. We also have like entrepreneurial sessions, sports sessions in between and whatnot. So काफी packed schedule रहने वाला है. And that's why long form videos so थोड़ी देर में आएंगे. But I'll try to upload as consistently as I can on my YouTube shorts. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Ananya Talks, because I'll be sharing all my real-time updates there. तो अगर तुम्हें मेरे दिन का routine जानना है, what I'm doing in London, you should definitely follow me on Instagram. वहाँ पे मैं बहुत कुछ share करने वाली हूँ. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of the videos. Let me know if you want to see like a step-by-step process of applying to summer school. If you have any other questions, maybe a Q&A around summer school, I can do that. You'll also be seeing a pack with me vlog really soon. What all I shopped for London, सब कुछ आने वाला है मेरे YouTube channel पे, so stay tuned for that as well. As always, thank you so much for always being here for me, supporting my channel, and I know that you will continue to do the same for my London series, I hope. So thank you so much in advance. And yeah, if you made it till here, comment these emojis, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and are excited. And if you are, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and definitely follow me on Instagram. And until next time, bye. See you soon in my London series.